Welcome back to Luna Fashion and Beauty. Today we are diving into the world of athleisure where style meets comfort. Athleisure has become a dominant trend, blurring the lines between athletic wear and everyday fashion. Whether you are heading to the gym, running errands, or just lounging at the home, athleisure pieces offer the perfect balance of function and fashion. In this video, we will explore the must-have pieces in your athleisure collection, how to style them, and why this trend is here to stay. Let's get started. Leggings are the cornerstone of any athleisure collection. They are versatile, comfortable, and can be dressed up or down depending on the occasion. Look for high-quality leggings with moisture-wicking properties, which are perfect for workouts and everyday wear. Pair them with an oversized hoodie for a laid-back look, or dress them up with a cropped jacket and a sneaker for a casual yet chic outfit. A good sports bra is essential whether you are hitting the gym or just want a comfortable and supportive top. Today's sports bras come in a variety of styles, from minimalistic designs to bold, fashion-forward options. Pair a stylish sports bra with high-waisted leggings for a sleek, gym-ready look, or wear it under a sheer top for a trendy, layered outfit. Joggers have become a staple in athleisure fashion, offering a more relaxed alternative to leggings. These pants are comfortable and stylish with a fit that's both loose and flattering. Look for joggers with tapered ankles for a modern silhouette. Pair them with a fitted top or a cropped sweatshirt for an effortlessly cool outfit that's perfect for both lounging and heating out. No athleisure collection is complete without a cozy hoodie or sweatshirt. These pieces are perfect for layering and can be worn year round. Opt for oversized hoodies for a relaxed vibe, or go for cropped sweatshirts to add a bit of edge to your look. Pair them with leggings or joggers, and don't forget to accessorize with a baseball cap or a pair of trendy sunglasses. Biker shorts have made a huge comeback in recent years, becoming a go-to piece for athleisure lovers. They are perfect for warmer weather and can be styled in so many different ways. Wear them with an oversized t-shirt for a casual look, or pair them with a matching sports bra or an open flannel shirt for a more fashion-forward outfit. Sneakers are the perfect footwear choice for completing your athleisure look. From classic white sneakers to bold, chunky designs, there is a pair out there to suit every style. Invest in a versatile pair that you can wear with multiple outfits, and don't be afraid to experiment with different colors and patterns to add a pop of personality to your look. Who says athleisure is all about pants and shorts? Athleisure dresses and skirts are becoming increasingly popular, offering a sporty yet feminine option. Look for dresses made from stretchy, breathable fabrics that allow for movement and comfort. Pair them with your favorite sneakers for a cute and casual look that's perfect for summer outings. Matching sets are a simple way to create a cohesive and stylish athleisure look, whether it's a set of leggings and a sports bra, joggers and a hoodie, or a skirt and crop top. Matching sets take the guesswork out of outfit planning. Look for sets in bold colors, interesting textures, or trendy prints to make a statement. When it comes to athleisure, layering is key. Lightweight jackets, windbreakers, and bomber jackets are perfect for adding an extra layer of style to your outfit. Opt for pieces with unique details like color blocking zippers or drawstrings. These jackets are not only add warmth but also give your outfit a polished, put together look. Accessories can elevate your athleisure look from simple to stylish. Think about adding a sleek backpack, a crossbody bag, or a stylish fanny pack to your outfit. Don't forget about functional accessories like a water bottle or a pair of wireless earbuds. These small details not only enhance your look but also add practicality to your athleisure wardrobe. Thank you for tuning into Luna Fashion and Beauty. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more fashion and beauty tips. Happy styling. Bye for now.